Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make a tiramisu. This one is without alcohol. So if you're not drinking or you can't have alcohol, this is the recipe for you. Come on guys, let's get cooking and I'll show you how it's done.
And as always, I'll leave the recipe right here on the screen. And what we need to do now is to semi-whip the 2 cups of thickened or heavy cream until we have stiff peaks like this. And now I'm going to mix the mascarpone cheese with the sugar. I'm going to cream it together till it's nice and soft, and then we're going to add the whipped cream that we had in our other bowl. And now it's time to add all the cream into the mascarpone cheese and give it a gentle stir all the way through till it's fully combined. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put 1 layer of the cream cheese filling on the bottom of the dish. Then I'm going to dip my sponge finger biscuits into the coffee, just a very quick dip in and out, and place 1 layer of sponge finger biscuits on the bottom. And I'm going to repeat the process with a 2nd layer of sponge finger biscuits. Now you can repeat this process as many times as you like or until you've used up all your sponge finger biscuits. And last but not least, I'm going to grate some chocolate and sprinkle it over the top of the dish. This finishes the presentation. Now we can put a lid on and put it into the fridge overnight to set completely.
Well, thanks again for watching my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, that way you will get notified on all my new videos. See you next time. Have yourselves a great week. Bye for now.